Okay, so we got some more molds. Let's take a look at this one, which these are do-it molds, and this is a tiny TS. And so I really don't know baits. I don't know what these things are basically called. I don't have the details on it. But this right here to me would be some kind of a creature crawl, like a wild variant on a crawfish. Right here. You can see it's got 6 legs with some kind of little ball features on the end, which will help those to flap in the water. It's a straight body. Yeah, looks like it's got claws and tentacles, wavy tentacles. So you got this on here hooked in and pulling it backwards like that. It's got all kind of stuff that's going to be flipping and flapping and doing all kind of flippy flappy stuff. Now the body is smooth as well as the legs. There's a little texture to each one of the end of the legs. The claws from the claw portion on is textured as well as the tentacles. So that's a pretty neat mold right there. I kind of like that. Then the next mold we've got is a K Craw. So, now this is a more traditional crawfish. You can see that it's got ribs and a little blank right back there, just like a tail. And you've only got like one leg and then the claws. And they're more like, I don't know what would you want to call it? What is that deal? My daughter loves SpongeBob's. It is Mr. Krabby maybe, or Krabby Man or something. Ooh, little ball like claws, and then some pretty delicate looking tentacles. And so the legs are smooth, the claws are textured, and then they're kind of corrugated on down to the tip. The tentacles are smooth, and then the main body is somewhat textured, like it would have bumps on it once it's poured. And it looks like there's a slot that'll be on top and bottom. And I would say that's probably a built-in hook slot. In my opinion, I would say that would be a built-in hook slot. So let's just, yeah, this one's kind of a big mold here. This is a Do It 6-inch item 96020 GYS -4-60. Okay, so yeah, this is the 6-inch. This is the 6-inch Senko-style mold. And let's see. And it is just slightly under 6 inches. And I had thought about maybe trying to modify this so that I could put a core shot in here. But it doesn't look like there's a whole lot of room to work with that. I'm not 100% sure. I don't think that would super work out. I don't know. You've just got air vents going straight across the surface, and so you got a little bit that works in between. Now the only downside to this I would see on these outside ones, you've got a vent to atmosphere, but then in between these vent from one chamber to the other one. So I don't know how reliable that venting would end up being. And yeah, so I don't know how reliable that venting will be. I would say that possibly the outside ones would be less prone to dent or not fill out completely, but this large cavity cigar shaped like that, I'm pretty sure that they would fill out anyway. The only probably downside, if any at all, is it's got do it on the egg sac instead of Senko. So no big deal. I really don't care, to be honest with you. It doesn't matter. Uh, and I have an idea that you could probably take glazing putty and fill that in, and then kind of work it until you had a flat section instead of having do it on it. I believe that that would be easily taken care of, and I would probably use glazing putty to take care of that, to do that. So anyway, there we go. 3 more molds. Appreciate you sticking around watching this. I would ask that you'd like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. If not, do it anyway, because you're going to find something on here that you like, because I like everything and I make videos on all kind of stuff. I enjoy spending time with you. I appreciate you being here, and I will see you next time. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.